Hi, and welcome to nicklockard.com remote service. I am Nick Lockard, founder and CEO of this website. We can help you with virus removal, computer security, networking computers, file and printer sharing, speeding up your computer, and troubleshooting Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, along with Windows servers. Click the bubble for more information about the services you're interested in. And next to this video, you'll find the chat button, which will connect you to a Nick Lockard representative. Or give us a call at 503-383-9785, Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. to 3 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Or email us at the address listed below. That's admin@nicklockard.com. nicklockard.com has solved hundreds of computer problems, all remotely with a 100% success rate. We will solve your problem. We offer free advice and diagnostics. This will allow us to identify your problems for free. Just give us a call. From all of us here at nicklockard.com remote service, thank you and have a great day.